This was the cheapest LED strip I could find on Amazon. At the cost of AUD, $8.23. Let's find out if this thing is any good. USB cable, remote control, and this is the light. Now it's 1 meter in length. Right, so it pretty much just connects like this. And you plug this into your USB. There's double-sided tape here. Let me just check the quality of the tape. Okay, it's pretty sticky. I think it'll hold. Check it out. Now for $8, I'm not really expecting much. But let's just set this up and see how it goes. It's actually turned out pretty good, as you can see. Let me play around with the settings. So you've got your green, blue, red, and then there's a flash mode. Fade. What's fade? Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This is my favorite mode here. Yeah, I'm sticking with this. So there you go. For $8, this is worth it. This is definitely worth it. Now I don't expect these lights to last a lifetime. So when they do die, if they die, I will put a comment in this video below so you know exactly how long they actually lasted me. You see, if you've been working at home as long as I've been, every little bit helps, right? Putting dolls, putting plants, and now I've got these lights. Anyway, I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take a look at that. I mean, come on. This has to be top 10 purchases of 2020 under $10.